video or if you've searched for it, it means you're interested in getting eyelash extensions training. Maybe you may be wondering if you should, or why should you, or why should you not, and if you do decide to do it, how or where should you get trained? Again, like I said, I'm Yegi. Quick introduction if you don't know me. I am a master eyelash extension artist and a trainer, and I own my own beauty salon and product line for eyelash extensions. Okay, so that's all we specialize in. That's all I specialize in. We don't do anything else. So we try to be the best at eyelash extensions. And if we're not the best at one part of it, we sure enough aim so as we get feedback, and we try to get there. Okay, so to answer your first question, should I get trained in eyelash extensions, or will it be right or wrong for me? So honestly, unless you try it, you're not really gonna know. It is a myth that you have to be really patient to be able to do eyelash extensions. And if you're in the beauty industry, you don't just have to do eyelash extensions. You can combine it and add it to your menu to attract more customers. And your hair customers or your facial customers can also be your eyelash customers, and they refer back and forth to each other, and you build clientele way faster like that. Another reason why you may want to add eyelash extensions to your service menu if you're in the beauty industry is because honestly, with eyelash extensions, you build your clientele pretty quickly. So for eyelash extensions, kind of like nails, people come in about 2 to 3 weeks to touch them up or to fill them after their initial full set service. All right, so now you may be wondering, who should I go by? Where should I go by to get training? So there are some companies out there that also do training, but let me tell you why you should pick us. Our class sizes are fairly small, so you get a lot of one-on-one attention when you're training. We ensure that you're gonna be 100% comfortable doing eyelash extensions before we give you the certificate and let you go. Okay, so there is a minimum requirement of 1 full day or 2 full days for certain certificates. However, anytime anybody feels like they need more hands-on training or more one-on-one time, they can come unlimited without paying anything extra to get that training, to feel comfortable, to get out in the world and start doing eyelash extensions. So that's what we guarantee, to make sure we're here not only to teach you, to also support you through your journey until you're comfortable at doing eyelash extensions on your own with your own clients. We also hire our students if you're looking for a job right after. We cover everything from safety to sanitation to application to preparation for the application to business to marketing to social media. So everything you need to know for eyelash extensions, application, and the business side. We also offer student discounts, so anybody that's trained, you're open to purchase any of our products for 20% off lifetime, okay? And that saves you a lot in the long run in products. Another plus with taking our courses is you get a premium, or you get really, really good full kits. With our student kit and our pro kit, you get a lot of lashes, different sizes for any clients that you need, and we're able to do that for you because we have our own product line. So we're able to get you all that product included in your class without it costing you so much more. We have over 10 years of experience in the beauty industry, and most importantly, I share everything I've learned throughout my experience. So anything that takes trial and error and complaining clients and really practice and experience, I teach you all of that, so you don't have to go through that hurdle of ups and downs and figuring out what to do, what not to do, and all the tips and tricks. So I make sure I go over all of that with the classes to make sure your life's gonna be easier when you become a lash artist. We do offer courses in the Los Angeles area mainly every month, and we also offer courses all around the US for now. We don't do international courses, however it will be coming in the near future. Oh, and let me mention, we also have eyelash lift courses, and again, very affordable, and that one we do have online. So no matter where you're at the convenience of your home, you can go ahead and do that training, and I promise you it's very detailed, the online training, so you will learn based on the video and hands-on, and sending us pictures and us verifying and giving you more tips and tricks. Most importantly, the reason why you should pick us is because we love what we do, and we want to share that passion with you, because we really believe if you do anything with passion and love, you're happy and your life's happy and your clients' lives are happy, because that positive energy really goes around and fulfills other people's lives as well as yours. So I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. We're here for you, and bye.